Mixology, Bartender Kit, the ultimate cocktail experience. 10-piece, all-inclusive bartender set of top-shelf cocktail tools will give you the power to whip up impressive cocktails for your guests. Whether you're an amateur bartender or a professional cocktail mixing guru, whether you are setting up a bar at home or at work, this bar set is a brilliant way to hit the ground running. Elegant mahogany wood stand, patented, carefully designed to keep your barware tools organized and accessible at all times. No more clutter in your kitchen drawers and cabinets. Show off your gorgeous cocktail kit with the unique genuine mahogany storage rack. You will definitely win your guests' attention. First-class bartending set plus a sleek bamboo tool holder, both packed together inside a classy box. Your recipient will be thrilled like a child in a candy store. Plus, to make things truly delicious, it includes an online cocktails catalog. Heavy-duty and high-grade Martini shaker set. This entire bar mixer set is made of stainless steel alloy, SS 304 and SS 430. Worry not. It is all dishwasher compatible, so forget about wear and tear with these professional bar supplies. Perfect for housewarming parties, birthdays, or holidays. This stylish and practical Mixology bartender kit is a great gift for cocktail enthusiasts or professional bartenders. It's not just a set of tools, it's an experience.